Here's a new app called OldRoll Vintage Film Camera Disposable Cam and Retro Filter. This app is being trending in a photo and video category recently. So yeah, this is the app. You can take these photos and then they will look like kind of like old vintage photos. It's a film analog camera app mimicking the most realistic experience using the actual disposable or film camera. I have curated for you a wide array of classic vintage cameras loved by photographers and shutterbugs throughout the decades, from instant camera, each are produced to its finest details, including the color, hue, grain, texture, and sometimes a few light leaks here and there for you to explore. So here, let's just take a look. So you can unlock all features for $14 a year, but then yeah, okay, let's just give access. I would be quite careful actually with giving this app a lot of access because yeah, seems it's kind of Chinese app, so it might be not that safe. But here's, for example, this is how it looks like. Pretty cool overview. So for example, I'll just take photo of my table, and then I have this photo here. Tap for rear camera, for front camera. Click to view taken photos. Then you can just do some changes. And that's basically the idea. So yeah, now you can just go and find some photos from here, from the app, and this is how it kind of looks like. Then you can just save it. You can also switch cameras, so you have all the different types of cameras here, which you like. So you can just select kind of these cameras here. And then yeah, you have just photos. Then you can also generate video. You can create collage here. And that's basically it. And then when you select, you can also edit it somehow. Can deliver. Then you can also generate video. So yeah, all of this you can do for free. But then yeah, if you're saving, I guess yeah, it will be saved like that. So there is no like some watermark, and it's just yeah, that's just what you have here. So yeah, that's basically what you have. And then yeah, you can also share it on Instagram, on TikTok here, and some other places. So yep, there what it is, basically. There you have it. So pretty cool, interesting app. It's called OldRoll. So just go and try it out.